Ever wondered why the chrysanthemum flower holds such significance across various cultures? This beautiful plant, with its vibrant colors and diverse forms, has a history as rich and intriguing as its appearance. Let's trace its journey, which begins in China around the 15th century BC. Back then, it was not just a flower, but a symbol of power and wealth, adorning the gardens of the noble and the affluent. As the centuries rolled on, the chrysanthemum made its way to Japan in the 8th century AD. The Japanese were so captivated by its beauty that they dedicated an entire festival to it, known as the Festival of Happiness. The chrysanthemum was also adopted as the imperial seal of Japan, a testament to its deep-rooted significance in the Japanese culture. But the journey of the chrysanthemum didn't stop in Asia. By the 17th century, it had traveled to Europe, where it was met with equal admiration. In France, the chrysanthemum became associated with All Saints' Day, and in the United Kingdom, it took center stage as the birth flower for the month of November. Chrysanthemums have also found their way into the world of literature and art, immortalized in the verses of poets and the strokes of painters. From Chinese scrolls depicting the noble flower to Vincent van Gogh's famous painting series, Chrysanthemums and Wildflowers. This enchanting bloom has been a muse for artists across the globe. And let's not forget its importance in traditional medicine. In China, chrysanthemums are often used in teas for their supposed health benefits, while in other cultures, they are believed to bring good luck and ward off evil spirits. So, from a symbol of power in ancient China to a muse for artists and a harbinger of good health and fortune, the chrysanthemum has woven its way into the tapestry of cultures across the globe. Its vibrant colors and diverse forms are a testament to its adaptability and enduring appeal. Now that we've traced the journey of this magnificent flower, let's understand its varieties. The chrysanthemum isn't just a single flower, it's a family of flowers with a fascinating variety. Let's delve into this vibrant world. We start with garden mums, the hardy souls of the family, blooming in a riot of autumnal hues. Moving on, we have exhibition mums, the show-offs, with their larger-than-life blooms that command attention. Then there are the pompons, small and spherical. Their charm lies in their compact size and abundance. Don't forget the spider mums with their long tubular petals. They bring a unique texture and drama to any garden or bouquet. Last but not least, we have decorative mums, the classic beauties. Their full double blooms are a sight to behold. Each type of chrysanthemum has its own unique characteristics, colors, and growing requirements, making them suitable for a variety of garden styles and conditions. With such diversity, it's no wonder chrysanthemums have a profound cultural significance. Beyond their beauty, chrysanthemums carry deep symbolism in many cultures. These vibrant flowers are not just mere decorations, they are symbolic tokens that carry profound meanings, from longevity and loyalty to joy and prosperity. In the heart of Asia, chrysanthemums are cherished for their symbolism of longevity and vitality. In China, the chrysanthemum is associated with autumn and the harvest season, embodying abundance and wealth. Chrysanthemum tea is a popular beverage, believed to have health-giving properties, further emphasizing its association with longevity. Turn your gaze towards Japan, and the chrysanthemum takes a center stage in the Festival of Happiness. Here, it's considered a symbol of the sun, and the orderly unfolding of the chrysanthemum's petals signifies perfection. The Japanese even have a term, kiku, specifically for the chrysanthemum, reflecting its importance in their culture. In Europe, chrysanthemums have a more solemn symbolism. They are often used in funerals and are a common sight in cemeteries, particularly in France, where they are a symbol of death and are used to honor the departed on All Saints' Day. However, in the United States, chrysanthemums are generally seen as a positive symbol. They represent joy and beauty and are often given as gifts on Mother's Day and Teacher's Day, symbolizing respect and admiration. But it's not just in these occasions that chrysanthemums shine. They are a popular choice for festivals and ceremonies. In China, there's even a dedicated chrysanthemum festival, where people admire the blooming flowers, sip chrysanthemum tea, and delve into ancient customs. In Japan, the Imperial Seal of Japan features a chrysanthemum, and there's a national holiday called the Chrysanthemum Day, or the Festival of Happiness. And so, the chrysanthemum weaves its way into the fabric of these cultures, becoming an integral part of their traditions, celebrations, and ceremonies. Its symbolism, spanning from joy and longevity to death and mourning, is as diverse as its varieties. The chrysanthemum symbolism adds to its allure, but how can you grow these beautiful blooms yourself? Growing chrysanthemums isn't as daunting as you might think. These delightful flowers, with their myriad of colors and forms, can be a dazzling addition to any garden or home. The key to successful chrysanthemum cultivation lies in understanding their basic needs and providing them with the right care. Chrysanthemums are sun-loving plants. They thrive under a minimum of 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight a day. Less sunlight can lead to spindly growth and fewer blooms, so be sure to choose a location that gets plenty of sun. Now let's talk about soil. Chrysanthemums prefer well-draining soil. A good mix of garden soil, compost, and coarse sand can provide the ideal growing medium. The soil pH should ideally be slightly acidic to neutral, between 6 and 7. Watering is another crucial aspect of chrysanthemum care. They need regular watering, but be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. A good rule of thumb is to water only when the top inch of the soil feels dry to the touch. When it comes to planting, it's best to plant your chrysanthemums in the spring. This gives them ample time to establish their roots before the onset of winter. Dig a hole twice as wide and as deep as the root ball, place the plant in, and backfill with soil, ensuring the crown is level with the ground. A key technique for promoting more blooms and a bushier growth is pinching. This involves removing the tips of the stems when they reach about 6 inches tall. Disbudding, on the other hand, is the removal of side buds to allow the plant to concentrate its energy on producing larger, showier blooms. And don't forget about feeding your chrysanthemums. Regular applications of a balanced fertilizer can help your plants grow strong and produce vibrant blooms. With these tips, you're well on your way to growing your own chrysanthemums. But did you know the color of a chrysanthemum carries its own message? But chrysanthemums speak a language of their own through their colors. Just as roses have their language, chrysanthemums too use their hues to convey distinct meanings. The pure white chrysanthemums are a symbol of truth and purity. They're often seen in weddings and religious ceremonies, speaking the language of innocence and devotion. Then we have the yellow chrysanthemums, vibrant and full of life, symbolizing friendship and joy. They're the perfect flowers to gift to a dear friend or to brighten up your own day. Lastly, we have the red chrysanthemums. These bold, passionate flowers are a testament to love and deep affection. They're often seen in romantic bouquets, silently expressing deep feelings of love and desire. So the next time you see a chrysanthemum, remember, it's not just a flower, it's a language, a symbol, a sentiment expressed in the form of nature's beauty. Chrysanthemums truly are more than just pretty flowers. They are a symbol of culture, a gardener's delight, and a colorful language all on their own. We've journeyed through the vibrant history, diverse varieties, deep symbolism, gardening tips, and color language of the chrysanthemum, a flower that's not just a bloom, but a testament to the rich tapestry of culture and tradition across the globe. We've introduced you to the myriad of chrysanthemum species and cultivars, from garden mums to pompons, spiders, and decorative mums. Each with its unique characteristics, colors, and growing requirements, these varieties offer endless possibilities for gardeners and floral enthusiasts alike. We've delved into the symbolism of chrysanthemums, their cultural significance across different traditions. These flowers, symbolizing longevity, loyalty, and joy, have found their place in festivals, ceremonies, and ancestral honorings. We've shared practical advice and gardening tips for growing chrysanthemums, be it in your home garden or landscapes. We've talked about optimal growing conditions, planting techniques, and how to ensure healthy plants and abundant blooms. We've explored the color language of chrysanthemums, where white represents purity and truth, yellow stands for friendship and happiness, and red conveys love and passion. We've showcased stunning chrysanthemum gardens, displays, and floral arrangements from around the world, and highlighted famous botanical gardens and festivals that celebrate the beauty and diversity of this flower. We've discussed the representation of chrysanthemums in art, literature, and cultural expressions throughout history. From famous artworks to poetry and folklore, the chrysanthemum has left its mark. We've inspired creativity with ideas for incorporating chrysanthemums into floral arrangements and bouquets, and encouraged DIY chrysanthemum-themed crafts and projects. We've also explored how chrysanthemums can be incorporated into seasonal decor and holiday celebrations. So as we wrap up, remember, each chrysanthemum you see, each you plant, and each you incorporate into your decor carries a rich history and a wealth of meaning. Next time you see a chrysanthemum, remember, it's not just a flower, it's a story that spans centuries and continents.